Hi, my name is Archie from NoteForms. Do you need to create a form and have a limit to the number of submissions? Well, that's possible. Let me show you an example. So here we have a registration form, and it's limited to only 4 sheets. There are already 3 submissions sent to this form. So this is the last submission. And let's try submitting a sample submission. Let's just say Archie4 is the full name, and an example home number of 4 here, and click submit. So this time it still accepted my submission. But once we go back to the form, let's refresh the form. It will then have a message that the form already reached the maximum number of allowed submissions and is now closed. You can also check that number of submissions on your form. So just go to your NoteForms dashboard and select the form that you're managing and click on the submissions tab, and it will automatically open the Notion database. And here you will see that there are already 4 submissions. As easy as that, you can have your users use your form with a limited. NoteForms is a form builder that primarily integrates with Notion. Notion has its built-in form. It's very straightforward, basic, and easy to use, especially if you're looking for a form that's already built in within Notion. However, it doesn't have advanced features, such as limiting submissions. This is very helpful in cases where you have registrations or bookings that are only limited, and you don't want to have your users submit forms if you can no longer accommodate their requests, concerns.
So now let me walk you through on how to enable this feature into your form. So here, let's create a new form. And let's say we start from scratch and let's utilize the AI form builder. So let's enter a prompt, create a registration form or the name, phone number, and select input. Okay. Option 1, 2, 3, or 4. Generate the form and let's wait for the AI to create the form for us. No take 3 seconds. Okay, it's running final checks. It's almost ready. Okay, 27 seconds. Okay, less than a minute, you already have your form and you have your select option 1, 2, 3, 4, the name, phone number, and input date as you requested. So with this registration form, to enable the limit, all you need to do is click on settings on the left side here, and then go to security and access. And under security and access, you can add the number of submissions for just 3. This is limited to, you only have like 2 seats left, so you can add 2. And you can modify the submission message. But for now, let's keep it this way. This form has now reached the maximum number of allowed submissions, and it's now closed. So as simple as that, you can enable the limit to your form. Hopefully this video helps, but if you still have questions, feel free to reach out to us via our live chat support and we will be happy to answer your questions. Again, my name is Archie and thank you so much for supporting NoteForms.